just arrived at the airport and it's way too early to check in. Apparently it opens 4 hours before the flight. That means I can check in at 8:20 and it's only 5, so I have to sit on this chair for another 3 more hours. I'm hungry and I need to pee, but I have 2 big luggages. I'm exhausted. It's still another 16-hour flight. We arrived at the same time. Hello! Gina and Ingrid picked us up from the airport. This is the first breakfast. We have tampi, soya milk, and coffee. So first meal back in Taiwan, we're going to Thai bazaar. Look at Mr. Olaf. These are Thai shrimp cakes, my favorite. I like the sauce. These are satay chicken. This is song ban zhu. It's pork. I want to live here. This is grocery heaven. So many good stuff. Should I try it? It's $240. That's like $80. JK. $8. My bad. $8. Gosh, they look so fresh. Taiwan's supermarket is superior. This looks amazing. Duck blood. It looks so good. There's so many more options here too. I'm trying this mangosteen juice. Yay! 春水堂. This is one of the oldest places that opened in Taiwan. Apparently, don't quote me on it. We're trying to combat jet lag by drinking tea. We live the old people lifestyle. We're shopping. This looks amazing. I'm gonna buy it. Menu's cute, but all Chinese. Uh-oh. I got this blueberry yogurt. It's a Japan muscat grape cake. And I got a creamy fruit. That looks interesting too. Very cute. This is the meal I've been dreaming about. This is like the restaurant that I have to go to at least 2, if not 3 times every time I'm back. I'm salivating just looking at the pictures. I was recording for my vlog and the waiter was like, do you want a phone stand? And I was flabbergasted. Why would they have this in a restaurant? Ma'am, you're a little creepy.
POV. You're in the shower and I'm the perv.
What? So pretty, ne? So pretty. Oh my gosh.
Why are you late?
Hola!
I am so sorry.
I like your jacket. Mommy and Daddy! This is the massage place. We're doing a 90-minute Thai massage. Yeah. Oh, this is a pretty bathroom. It's very Versace. This is the foot washing area. Very pretty. I just finished my 90-minute massage. It was 80% very comfortable, but 20% kind of painful. I was just suffering in silence because I didn't want to tell her it was painful. I don't know why. I'm just scared. But at least the price is kind of good. Like, it's only $60 USD for 90 minutes. In the US, it would probably be like $250 plus tax plus tip. Wait, did she step on you?
I can't really tell.
I was like, I couldn't tell whether it was a foot or a hand. Did she massage your ears? Because she massaged my ears. My ears.
Oh, she did.
She massaged my ears too. This is Singichu. This is a very popular place for shopping. 现在 we are going to Chop Chop. Ah! It's a Singapore restaurant. Looking at the drinks menu, and this Champagne Mary has tequila, Sichuan pepper, black pepper, passion fruit, and tomato soda. Looks very interesting. This is gado gado. Yum?
Morning I woke up and I had this anxiety. I was like, oh my god, my friends are all gonna hate me.
Why? This is cereal chicken.
It's literally shrimp.
My bad. This is cereal shrimp. I like this one better than a salad. This is my favorite dish, char kway teow. This is what I crave when I'm in Champagne. Yeah?
Very fucking strong. Pretty good.
This right here is chicken satay. It's also very large. Like, you can't tell how large it is. It's like my arm. Interesting. This is Milo dinosaur in a dessert form, even though it's usually supposed to be a drink.
The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You haven't seen nothing like me yet.
We're going to see the Christmas tree. We're shopping at the Gloria outlets in Taoyuan. This is an interesting design. This is so funny. This is so funny. This kind of feels like the German market. Pop-up stores. Oh my gosh, it's snowing! These are golf clothes. I've never seen such cute golf clothes before. Alright, so today's plans is have breakfast at this new place. We're gonna go to KTV, one of my favorite things to do in Taiwan. Have to do it every time I come back to Taiwan. And then, very, very exciting. She's translating for me because I'm illiterate. Cannot read. Here's the spread for breakfast. We have hash browns, a lot of danbing, chao mian, and tushi. There's like toast with chicken inside. I put the spicy sauce. Super spicy, but really good. It matches so well. We're going to KTV now. $7 per person for 4 hours, but technically we could have stayed for 8 hours in total. We just had to leave to do something else, and it would have still been $7 if it was 8 hours. This is one of like the better beef noodle soups, in my opinion, from 春水堂. I like it a lot. Very tender beef. The soup is the best part. This is his shop. It's huge. It's actually huge. This looks super professional. We're the first official group of people to take the class here. This is everything that we made today, everybody's. I'm at the Mitsui outlet and they have a ton of Disney princess photography backdrops. Take a look. There is Aladdin in the front, and then we have Beauty and the Beast in the middle. And then this is the huge Christmas tree. And here we have the 7 dwarfs. You guys, these are masks. I want to wear them. People gonna laugh at me? Oh my gosh, how cute. How cute. Oh my gosh, this is how they get people to wear masks here. Make them super cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, cute. So cute. Oh my gosh. I want to buy everything. Today is Christmas Day and we're here at Zachary's shop to make this. This is something that you put in your wardrobe or closet, bedroom to help it smell better. It's not a candle, although it looks like one. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing tonight. We're waiting for it to dry. Slay! This is my finished wreath, and this is my necklace. All made in the same place. This is really good backdrop. Festive.